diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, guys, we're going to talk about a token that is called Charge DeFi with 1,405 APY. Let me just share my screen. So here we go. So let's see how it all works out, right? So what is the Charge DeFi? Now, when looking at other I always struggle with this word, algorithmic stablecoins project, one thing tends to stand out. As long as more money flows in, the system expands and everyone benefits. Now, by nature, this stablecoin creates a prisoner dilemma. So basically, if for those who are trading in the DAO, you understand what the prisoner dilemma means. That is everybody who doing the bonds as well as staking tends to benefit, right? So we hodl and we have that entire runway. Now, as long as everyone acts for the greater good of the project, everyone's investment will keep growing. But when investors focus purely on their own gains to the detriment of the other investors, the system slows down and eventually shrinks, right? Which all know. So currently now they are offering about 4.3 daily. I'm just testing out $1,000, so I will be sharing my results maybe in a day or two. So stay tuned and join us on our Telegram group, because I share what we are currently testing out, and if we feel that there's certain viability in this, and we will actually share with you guys, right? So yes, I have invested. I'm just being transparent, being open to you guys. There's definitely risk in this project. So you can see there's static coin, Charge, Pulse. I will cover slightly on individual coins, but we will be mostly using static against the BUSD. So this is two different stable coins. So why this Charge DeFi? So basically we have they have three options in terms of the investment: the boardroom, the farm, and the pulse. So boardroom basically is actually staking Charge in the boardroom against the BUSD in the liquidity pool boardroom, and you will be rewarded in static and Charge every 8 hours. Now, the Charge pool receives about 85% of the static expansion reserves for the boardroom. The BUSD pool will receive about 15% and added benefit of yielding Charge tokens. Now, every stake, unstake, and claims action locks your stake token for 48 hours. So you actually get locked in. This will help to actually prevent changes and keeps the network stable. Every claim action locks your claim also for 24 hours. So that's for the boardroom. For farming, basically you stake your tokens to the farm Charge DeFi token. There's no entry fee, there's no exit fees, there's no lockup period also for the stake. Now the farm runs for a fixed period of time, and the type of farms available will vary over time. So the APR is usually lower on the farms than in the boardroom because there is no lockup period. Now Pulse. Pulse can be purchased with static and TWAP, time weightage average price of static, which is below $1. Pulse is the measure to help bring static back to the pack. Now they are just playing with two different stable coins. So any movement in those stable coin that is pegged to the static stable coin will actually automatically produces yield. So you don't really have to worry about price action, like if you know some of the other DAOs in the recent bear market has actually dipped in terms of price, while they are still guarantee you you're getting the actual tokens over a period of time. They can't guarantee you the price. Now in this Charge DeFi, the only difference is that we are using stable coins, right? So that's you never have to worry about price, and you will get the yield and the APY as promised. So of course, at this point of time, because we just got into this and got to know about this, and we'll be testing out over the next few days. I don't know who is in charge of this right now. So I think through more research and maybe in the future videos, we will give an update on Charge DeFi. So right now, of course, they are certified, and there are certain parameters, as you can see, some major things, and which they actually have to resolve. I think maybe 5 more items, mostly medium and minor. I think it's not really, most important things, the critical and major. So seems like all of it has been resolved with just only the medium and the minor. Charge DeFi risk disclosure is the creator right now is unknown. Of course, rug pull or project failures can always happen in the crypto space. Prone to price swing, depending on which option you take. For the one that we are choosing, you don't have to worry about price swings, which later Manish will show you in the how-to section. So stay tuned for that. Never invest also more than what you're comfortable with. Always do your own research and spread your risk, guys. Spread your risk. So of course, we're currently not ranked on CoinGecko because it's quite an early project. I think just came out less than a month. Charge is right now at $383. So Tokenomics, of course, the symbol is Charge. It's about 383.04. BNB price, of course, is 541.51. And the 24 volume right now for this token is at 1.8 million. So the tokenomics and core mechanics. The core ecosystem consists of the following 3 tokens. You have Charge token. It's a share token in the new ecosystem. You have the static. So static basically is a rebasing stable token that will be the main value asset. And you have Pulse, bond type token with specific dynamics and staking options. So here's the chart. You can see that right now it's about 300. Apologize that the screen is slightly a bit blurred. Maybe have to fix that in future videos. And we had a recent price move very high, and also price dump. So we have about close to 1009, and then now we are back to 300. So the actual token support is at about 150, and currently it is trading at about 160. So any specific forecast presented here in this article, still Ruzan does not take responsibility for your own investment decisions. So please seek professional advice before trading. And for those who are new to this channel, how you can get started investing in crypto with little and no basic knowledge, you can always join us in our Telegram group. We are doing 1 video a day live. We also help on reducing risk, especially in the DeFi space, and you can learn how to get started holding on to a full-time job. So that's all I have. Do let us know in the comment section below if there's certain thing. It's actually a very straightforward process. Manish is going to share that. So I'm going to hand over to Manish. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Wayne. Thanks. Yeah, it's a very new. Of course, it comes with any new project comes with a risk, but we still do our research and forecast. I think Wayne has already covered the audit part also. So there are certain things which gives us a hint that this project is serious, and they are planning for a long term. But of course, they are DeFi. There are so many projects being launched, and then there is no much benefit in terms of their use cases. There are past projects which we have covered it, but there are some promising projects as well. So yeah, this we will come to know in some point of time, probably a month or 2 months. We will see what is their plan and what is their roadmap in upcoming month, and then we will be more confident. And in the meantime, yes, we are doing an investment here, and we are testing it out for you guys, so that you guys will be risk free. Of course, it's not a financial advice, but anything which we bring up to root zones, we ensure that these are tested with us, and we can share our experiences to you guys.
Yeah, maybe just chime in a bit. Some of the tests we do is to buy in and also to sell, because with the recent Squid game issue, everybody went in, invested, and they couldn't even sell the token. So these are things that we do to test. And also the interest, we want to just let you know for every 1,000 how much we got per day, so you can make an informed decision. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. So we test it out. Our profit also we test it out. We try to convert into a stable coin, see whether the profit we are able to lock it with our stable coins, and it's something that which we able to sell it off at once the staking is working fine. We retrieve back the rewards and sell it off. If all this end-to-end process is working, then we update to you guys that yes, you can go ahead, but it's still definitely there'll be some risk involved on this because you are investing on a DeFi space. Okay, so I think Wayne covered a detailed tokenomics of this and detailed information about this token already. This tokens comes with a three different type of tokens. One is statics, the another one charge, and the next one is pulse. The charge is the expensive one, which is $379, the current price. And you can see the MetaMask wallet information is right here on top of the screen. By using this, you can click it, but never don't get if you are using, don't get like some problem or something, that if you are using some other wallets, they also have a features to integrate with other wallets. If you see here, the list of wallets are connected. It's not just a MetaMask. So whichever wallet you're holding it, it'll be able to connect and you'll be able to buy. So talking on the blockchain network, they are into the charges into a Binance, a smart chain network. So you should have a BNB or BUSD to buy this coin, to buy this token. And yeah, so there are a couple of features which they come across. There are a couple of use case they come across. One is farm. Uh, they have this farming also. Then they have a compound, and they have this pulse staking as well. So all these features and all these passive income kind of way you can choose based on your requirement. And you can see here, charge, you can directly stake the charge, but if you want to pair with some other tokens and then you want to stake it, that is called a liquidity pool. You can always do that by buying the pairs of these tokens. Like here, if you can see, the static and BUSD want to buy and stake together, so this will be your APR. uh, and if you just wanted to put charge on a staking, this is what you are going to get it. So static per charge 0.e poch. Okay, so we have a three different type of earning in this charge website. One is the boardroom, where you can straight away go and buy a charge and put it on stake and start getting your income. And then you have a liquidity pool option, which is static and BUSD. Look at the pulse also comes somewhere. It's a kind of liquidity pool method where you pull charge and pulse together and uh, put it for staking the pair. This one is like a pulse to charge, and this one is no more pulse available this e-pouch, please claim it, the next one. So this feature is not available, however this pouch is available.
Yeah.
You Yeah.
So
Yeah.
basically, Pulse, for those who are in the DAO, Pulse is actually another way for minting. It's another word for bonding. It's the same thing. They just changed the word to Pulse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now they have farm features, where if you would have seen the pancake swap, this option is already there, and many other platform also has this farming feature. So only thing here is the APR is higher side. If you see this 834% APR, which you can pair with the tokens and you can do a farming here.
So the
So
one that I've done, Manish, maybe you go head back to the boardroom,
the
so that
boardroom,
our viewers don't get lost. Yeah. So
this one.
this is the one that I did, guys, and I only did the static dash BUSD. It's the highest APY. So maybe
This is the
Manish, you can
highest
just
APR. Yeah,
you-
this is the highest APR. Even this also has a highest APR. However, this is just one staking. You buy a charge and start putting for the
yeah.
staking.
But the difference, charge
In
actually has volatility, Static and BUSD are two stable coins, and you don't want. It's a lesson that we learned in the DAO, where the price action, like Time Wonderland 7,000 became 3,005. You don't get that price issues with static and BUSD. So so Manish, maybe you can just share
Yeah,
on.
yeah. So this is a good thing which you have highlighted, Wayne. Yeah, when you are putting on a stable coin, you will not have a kind of risk which that your tokens drastically going down. So that one risk which is covered, and you will be also getting a higher returns. So this staking looks, or this liquidity pool looks much more promising, and you can connect your MetaMask. Since I do not have MetaMask on this Brave wallet, sorry, Brave browser, so that's why I'm getting this error. However, it's the process is almost similar like other. You can connect your wallet and buy these two tokens. Ensure that your wallet are into BNB network. You buy these two tokens, put it in a liquidity pool, and once you connect, it will auto detect if you have these two tokens in your wallet. Auto detect and ask you to enable the liquidity pool. Once you enable it, it will prompt you for a smart contract will be prompted for your approval. Once you approve it, then one more time you have to confirm. Once confirm, it will put it on staking, and you will be start getting the rewards from when onwards. When I think in
Every
48
8
hours
hours
you're getting
epoch, yeah.
epoch. So the token that invests a stake will be locked up for 48 hours, 6 epoch. After every deposit or claim, the rewards will be locked up for 24 hours, 3 epochs. So I think in every day we'll be getting 3 epochs, is it?
Yeah, it's similar to Time Wonderland, every 8
Similar to
hours.
time. Okay. So this is all about the rewards and investment which you are going to get it. I think there are many more features are there, but we would recommend to go for this. Of course, you can do your own research, and if you are comfortable, you can also go for other farming and pooling. But this is the one which we are testing it now. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Let's move on to the market section
Yeah,
and see
thanks
what is
Manish
there in a market side.
for sharing that. Guys, let us know if you want us to cover a video. I think when Manish does some more tests, he will actually share that
Share
how
the
to.
how to.
Yeah, just let us know in the comment section below. Because some of you guys have been with us for quite some time, very
Yeah.
advanced in the Telegram group.
And in
So
a live, I think I have not show you because we are not comfortable to showing our wallet in the live. We have a bad experiences in the past.
yeah,
Whereas in how to videos, we have options to blur it out.
yes, we'll blur
we
out.
can we can blur out the important informations, and then we can still
And we also don't reveal the date when we do the test, so that it's a bit difficult for any hackers out there to really kind of do the mapping based on the watching the live show. So
yeah.
things that we learned on the past, and we are just sharing with you guys, right? So stay safe. So looking at the market fear index, of course, we are back in the 20s, so that this is a norm. I've seen that climbing from 20 to 30. So we're not out of the bear yet, guys. And we had a question today on the Telegram group asking, is it safe now? Do you think that we hit the bottom? We won't know. We won't know because we just lost another 100 billion that came out from the market. So can that happen today? I don't know. But what a safer bet is wait until the 31st of December, right? When we usher into the 1st of Jan 2022, that's the start of the new year. We have passed all any tax that the US had to declare, and then we start to see whether we will get that 3 months extension to have the bull to come in, right? So over the VIX, of course, today markets are slow. Maybe towards the end of the year, books are being closed at 1713. So the fear has no fear basically on the US stock market. We have 16,000 coins, 450 exchanges, 2.2 trillion, guys. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum take 60% of the market share. Top 3 coins: Meta Football, Half Pizza, and Bitgurts. Never heard of these coins, guys. So
Half pizza.
yeah, so the last 24 hours, Bitcoin slightly up by 0.38, Ethereum 0.13, BNB down by 1.34, Solana 0.14, Cardano down by 0.96, XRP up by 0.28, Terra Luna 0.85, Polkadot down by 1.71. So you look at the right hand side, still bearish over the 7 days period. So let me just look at some of the total market. You can see that right now we are still heading towards down. Great support at the 2 trillion mark. Even the US stock dollars has also a slight dip, so that will affect the buying also of conversion from fiat money to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, of course, will model the same thing. Right now, being supported at a 46,000. I haven't done Fibonacci for quite some time. I might do that and cover that tomorrow. We'll just talk a bit more about all the premium coins. Ethereum, great time to buy, guys. I had a slight dip this morning. Over at our site at Singapore time, we like Ethereum because of the very reason of the gas fee, right? So that's something to take note. AVAX very high still at this point of time, so 100 is a nice place to get in. The last time they were high was at 147. BNB also dropped below the support line, but still looks like it's going to recover up. Matic, of course, had a very nice run up. They have a new support line now at $2.44. I don't think they will drop below that. So that's you will see some of the DAOs that uses Matic are also benefiting from that. Phantom had a nice run. Of course, still fall short of the all-time high at $3.48. So with that, guys, do join us on YouTube. We have a lot of how-tos coming up, and next year onward, we have about 350 videos, Manish?
350 videos.
Yeah.
And more how-tos need to bring in because you guys has liked our how-tos. I can see from that the analytics. So yeah, of course. And then tokenomics also, there's something that which you guys have liked it. So how-tos and tokenomics, and then interviews. These three things from the trend we can see that been appreciated by you guys. So probably will come up more contents related to these topics.
Yeah, and stay tuned also. I think some of people has actually wrote to us asking whether we can conduct a course. I don't know whether, because that takes a lot of time to really, for someone who have no knowledge about the crypto space. For those who are actually watching the video, if you really want us to cover that, just comment in the section below. And guys, do help us to like the videos so that we can actually continue to build. The videos will reach out to more people and build our community.
Yeah, and I think it's a good idea, Wayne, to come up with the basics of cryptos. If a person who want to start, we might need to come up.
Yeah, we have to cover all the networks. What's the difference between coins and tokens?
How one account, how the easiest exchange is which one, how to use that easiest
CeFi
exchange.
versus DeFi. What's the difference between
so
wallet
those
and
basics, back to basics, we have to come up so that if any of our subscriber followers want to know a very basic level, we can refer that video in.
Yeah, I agree with you, Manish. So maybe we will have that as a New Year's resolution. So we are a few hours away for the New Year, guys. Thank you for really joining us on this journey to the millions. And we hope that 2022 will be a game changer for all of us in the crypto community. It doesn't matter which channels you support. We are all one family and under this ecosystem, right? So with that, I want to wish you a happy New Year and
happy New Year, guys. I think we'll be meeting you. We'll be seeing you tomorrow in a brand new year. I think, so enjoy your New Year evening. That's all. See you tomorrow.
We'll see you soon. Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?